We're at the scene of the Road Ranger truck stop on the AA highway in Maysville, Kentucky. You can see that the police department has put some crime scene tape around the fuel pumps. This area apparently took the brunt of the tornado-like winds that came through the area around 4 p.m. Tuesday. You can see that the hoses have been torn out of the pump, damage to the top. This is next to the one that's been blown to the ground. All right, we're here on the scene with two people that were here at the Road Ranger when the straight line tornado type winds came by, and we'll hear what they have to say about their experience.
Hi, I'm Kim Polo and I'm from Chicago, and I'm out here working at the Federal Mogul right down the street in Maysville. And we were in the van, we were 4 vans trying to get gas before we went back to the hotel at the Hampton across the street. And all of a sudden, my friend Jennifer's phone said, tornado watch, get shelter now. And we didn't even get a chance to get out of the van before the storm hit real bad. And then as you can see, the pump over there was what fell on our van and the back of it and broke out the window. So, I mean, we're lucky to be alive right now. It was very scary.
So no one was hurt?
No, nobody was hurt because we all got out. Only one girl was trapped in there because the hose, she was trapped in the van. The hose wrapped around her van and it was stuck on the bottom and she couldn't get out, and I went back for her and pulled her out of the front. So she was okay, but everybody was safe. Everybody's okay. Vans are bad, but we're okay.
All right. And what time did all this happen, you know? About 3:45?
No. 3:15, 3:20? About 3:30, yeah. Because we just left work, so.
Okay, and your name is?
Jennifer Glauner, and I'm also from Chicago, and out here doing some work and filling up the gas, and warning, get shelter now, and not even 2 seconds later, we're hit, vans almost lifted off the ground, and pump out our car.
So, was it a tornado? Did you see a funnel cloud, or was it more straight line wind?
It was more straight line wind.
It was just the wind, because the van started shaking, and then we were like, whoa, we got to get out of here. So that's what we did. Very scary.
All right, well, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
And here's the van that they were just speaking of. The back window is blown out, and you heard them say that the other van at the pump in front of them, the hose literally wrapped around that van. This is a second van that was damaged. See, the damage is extensive. There's 1, 2, 3 pumps down on this area. This is the tractor trailer lot next to Road Ranger as you go to the east of the actual gas station area. And there were 2 trailers blown over. 1 tractor and trailer, you see. And another blown over. Matt Likens, who leases the facility from Road Ranger, said that something this heavy to blow these over had to have been a tornado. You also see a vehicle down here with window smashed, probably from flying debris. This power line connects all the way down, and you can see that there's another one leaning. According to officials, power is out south of the Market Square Shopping Center. Kentucky Utilities is on the scene. Again, this is damage that occurred from a storm that rolled through the area about 3:45 to 4 o'clock that had tornadic type winds.